Mima and Zyaba are best friends.
Hi everyone, I am Mima and this is Zyaba. Welcome to our show. Zyaba, spring is in the air and I saw a lot of beautiful butterflies fluttering around. I have a very fun project for us today. Zyaba, I want to teach you how to make this paper butterfly that can flutter. Check this out.